Hi everyone, welcome to the first look launch of Anaganavagavatiri. Thank you Vamshi for joining us as the guest today. So, మీరు already visuals చూసారు ఈ film ది. So tell us about what you have seen and what people you feel will be able to experience through this film.
Hello. First of all, ఐ థింక్ చాలా రోజులైంది కెమెరాలో ఫేస్ చేసి ఇలాంటి లాంచ్లోకి వచ్చి ఈ కోవిడ్ టైమ్స్ వల్ల అలవాటు కూడా పోయింది మాట్లాడడం. బట్ I've seen the clips and some clips in of Anaganagavatidi. I think it being the first kind of an original film on, done by AHA. Basically, the biggest surprise for me was, of course, Payal in the film, because the whole makeover that she went through for the film, I think, because I think for every artist, basically there is a kind of a thing to explore themselves in new ways and new kind of things and all. So when I saw it was very unlike Payal that I've seen. So I think which is a very good thing and a fresh thing, nizanga cheppalante. And of course I congratulate AHA on this behalf, because I think in this dearth of entertainment where, we've all been still waiting for the theatres to open and we're still uncertain about it, there's still some entertainment coming our way. I think ఎందుకంటే ఐ నో బీయింగ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ దట్ ఎంత ఛాలెంజెస్ ఫేస్ అవుతున్నారో, ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద కోవిడ్ టైమ్స్ కంటెంట్ అనుకున్న కంటెంట్ టైంకి రాలేక, బట్ స్టిల్ వీ హ్యాడ్ సో మెనీ ఛాలెంజెస్. సో ఎవ్రీ వీక్ ఒక ఫిలం, బీట్ ఈవెన్ లాస్ట్ 2-3 వీక్స్ చూసుకుంటే ఒరే బుజ్జిగా ఒక కలర్ ఫోటో, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ next is going to be Ma Vintagada Vinuma, and then it's going to be Anaganagavatidi. So there's a constant kind of entertainment that's coming to us, and I think a regional platform ga start ayi. I think it's going to be the fastest regional platform to reach the 1 million subscribing mark, I think, which is the biggest kind of achievement in this space. So I think this is just the beginning and a long way to go. So అందులో వస్తున్న ఒరిజినల్స్లో ఫస్ట్ ఒరిజినల్ అనగనగా ఒక అతిథి అవడము, అండ్ దానికి ఐ థింక్ he's an basically award winning director here. So November 13th night, I think Payal and director and Chaitanya and all as a team are going to definitely keep you engaged, because this is more of a thriller drama, as I know, and I think it definitely has its own moments and stuff. And I hear that the last 15-20 minutes is something that can actually elevates the film to another level, so which we are looking forward to. And that's it, and I think that's what I want to talk about it.
Thank you. So director garu, Dayal garu, tell us about the film and aim work out in the audience, like what will they like, and like Vamshi garu said, there's this last few minutes which is going to be like very intense and full of twists and stuff. So tell us about the film.
First of all, I'm completely emotionally moved with this session. Actually, it's my honor. It's a big honor for us, for all of us, that Vamshi sir has come forward to launch the first look. So first of all, on behalf of the team, let me thank him heartily. Then, and the second thing is Dayal Padmanabhan, as a filmmaker, I would have done 18 films in Kannada, but it is my Telugu debut film. So I'm completely moved, and I'm grateful to AHA for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, now let me come to the cinema part. Yeah, this is basically a thriller, but doesn't come under the formula. So the thriller has got a formula that there is a crime. The crime, there is multiple suspects. The multiple suspects, there will be one criminal. There is a justification for the crime. This is what the worldwide crime formula, crime thriller formula. But this crime thriller doesn't fall under that formula. That is the unique thing about this film.
A family drama also.
It will start like a family drama, but end up with a emotional. It will turn up like a crime thriller, then it will end up like a emotional drama. This is what the flow of the screenplay. So that way, definitely AOA, that is the shortly we are going to call as AOA, is going to be a completely a new experience for the audience. That is what I feel as a filmmaker. And one more thing I want to tell, I don't know how far it is right to tell in this platform. there is a popular poet in Tamil. Basically, I am a Tamilian. There is a popular poet in Tamil. They say that Bharatiyars used to write 100 years before that, Sundara Teluginil Patisaitu. Means the Telugu is such a beautiful language. If you want to write something, write it in Telugu. Okay, he has written 100 years back. So we are all grown with such literature background. So I'm really excited to do my first film in such a beautiful, yes. I'm excited. And one more thing here, I want to register that legally I am a Telugite. My father is a Telugu speaking, but I lost my father when I was 4 years old. So I never had a practice to speak Telugu because my mother is a Tamilian. But once again, I'm so happy that I have got an opportunity to do a Telugu film. And so this is what at this point I want to express. And completely my actors, I have to say Chaitanya sir, his cooperation, and I call few as actors, few as heroes, but I love to call him as an actor. Okay, when I save somebody's name in the mobile also, I save that way only. Okay. Okay, I have saved his name as an actor. He's really a versatile actor. I'm really lucky to have him as an actor. And I heard about him, about his acting skill, everything. So he has done his best, I can say. And one actor with whom I didn't have much corrections, because it is not that the others I had lot of correction. It doesn't mean that. I'm telling like where I didn't have much stress to correct. So he has understood the character very well and he has done. And about Payal, we have no interaction before the film. We met only once before the film. And she went through the complete script and she was asking few questions and I could answer that. And I told her that don't come with any preparation. Don't come with any preparation. However, the character is going to drive you, do that way. That is what she has done. She has done a fantastic job. As Sar said, it is going to be a path-breaking character for her. And and in future, you will be calling her as an actress. No, she has proven already in RX100 and other films as an actress. This is going to be a milestone film for her. And of course, I have to tell about Anand Chakrabarti sir, his cooperation as an actor, and also Sundar Veena, who is not here with us. She has done the major character. She is making her debut in Telugu in the lead character. So this is the cast, and about the technical things we will talk in future in rest of the interviews. So I am completely excited that, and it is going to be released on a Deepavali day. So we are all excited and waiting for that.
So I'd like to get Anand garu to speak because he is very silent and stuff. సో సార్ మీ రోల్ గురించి ఈ సినిమాలో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు వీ హావ్ సీన్ యూ, కానీ ఈ సినిమాలో మీ రోల్ ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జెడ్ గా ఉండబోతుంది అండ్ పోస్టర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ లో కూడా వీ కెన్ సీ యూ. సో మీ రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, ఏంటి మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి రోల్ చేయడం?
ఇట్స్ వెరీ పాత్ బ్రేకింగ్ ఫిలిం ఐ వుడ్ సే, అండ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండ్ వండర్ఫుల్ టీమ్ వీ హ్యాడ్. చైతన్య, పాయల్, వీణా సుందర్, myself and other crew. Really a dedicated team. And this particular character is very different what I did earlier. అంతకుముందు చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ కంటే చాలా డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇది. దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఎంగేజింగ్ అండ్ చాలా ఒక హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. కానీ ఆయనకి ఏం కావాలో దయాల్ పద్మనాభన్ ఆయన తీసుకున్నారు. ఆ క్యారెక్టర్కి ఎక్కడ ఎట్లా ఏం కావాలో పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఆయన తీసుకున్నారు. ఫిల్మ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఫిల్మ్. ఇది చాలా మంచి ఫిల్మ్ ఇది, అండ్ చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో ఫినిష్ చేశారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ది డైరెక్టర్. ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్లారిటీ హీ హ్యాస్ అబౌట్ ఎవ్రీ షాట్ అండ్ యూనో వైల్ మేకింగ్ ద ఫిలిం. ఎక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేదు, విపరీతమైన క్లారిటీ, అండ్ హీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. Almost 15 days, I think, the film is completed. Yeah, 15-20 days. So it's a wonderful film, and I am sure that I am going to get a good name for this film. I got huge applause for Mallesham. I acted in Mallesham as Hero's father. This is another film which is going to get a wonderful name for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So Payal, both the director and Vamshi Garu talked about how this film is going to, get people to see you in a different way. Do you feel the same?
ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఈరోజు చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వామ్సీ సార్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్ ఐ కాల్ యూ మై లక్కీ mascot. Seriously, last time also at the time of Enki Mama Success Meet, you were there. It was a blockbuster, of course, and this time also you have come, so thank you so much. Next time also you have to come, okay? So let me tell you, yaar, let's go back 6 months back. I was sitting at my home and this lockdown and this whole corona COVID started and I was so anxious within and I was just feeling, I don't know what is going to happen after 6 months. You know, the theatres are going to be shut and what will happen with my career because it was at peak. So I was really, suffering from that kind of anxiety. I don't know, after 6 months I am going to get some good content to play or good movie to play. But finally, with God's grace and thanks to my angels, I got this content to play. And as just now sir said that I'll call you actor rather than a heroine. So I would love to listen that again and again. I want to be Radhika Apte instead of Katrina Kaif. So, this is what. So I just loved that content. इस तरह का कंटेंट मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं किया and I was actually waiting for this kind of thing that can break that stereotype kind of image that I'm carrying on my shoulders. So I'm very much sure with this performance, with this kind of content, I'm going to set that benchmark and I'm excited. This is just a tip of that iceberg. Abhi movie to baki hai mere dost. So yeah, really excited and it was fun working with Chaitanya Garu. And of course sir and my mom, and they are like brilliant actors. And now coming to my favorite director, sir, congrats, you're doing debut in Telugu and working under his guidance, I mean I have learned so many things which I can take ahead and use in my future projects. So yeah, he's a brilliant director so far I worked with. So yeah, quite excited for this movie.
So, taking on from that, this is the first time he's making his Telugu debut, but you are making your debut on the digital.
Yeah, this is my debut for digital platform.
So, does it feel different, this whole experience of releasing a film?
See, the charm of theatrical release is always different. An actor always crave for the theatrical release. But this time I'm doing debut for digital. And right now I think people are more inclined towards the digital platform, OTT platform. So I'm kind of same only. The excitement is still same. It's not
But how
less than
different? It's different though. I mean, the excitement is same, but the overall experience, I'm sure, is
So
different.
we shot in the same manner only, and sir has taken, we have focused a lot on detailing part also for each and every character, for all dialogues. So it's kind of same only, like in every manner.
You tell that I never allowed you to wear the chappal also.
Oh my God, yeah, seriously, it's a completely de-glam role, and he didn't allow me to wear those slippers, and just for my walk sake.
That walking should be so natural. So I told her always I used to request her don't use
Yeah, and I got to work with the best team. I mean, AHA, without this team, it wouldn't be possible. And, I'll say, every department had put it their 100% because of that, enlightened the quality of the movie.
So, lastly, Chaitanya, most importantly, I mean, it's always nice to end because you get to sum up points from everybody. So, sir said that, he was really, talking about how he really liked working with you because he felt that you were great as an actor. So, did you feel like, what was your experience of working with the whole team and what is your character like? Your character is obviously very crucial and, title lo kuda Atidhi or whatever, one of you is the Atidhi. So, you tell us what was the experience of Anaganaga Atidhi?
First of all, this is a fanboy moment for me. So, nenu Vamshi sarni from the days of Munna sir. So, I've always been wanting to be a part of the project, but I get an opportunity to sit next to you and feel the aura of it. Thank you so much for coming, sir. Yeah. And coming to the film, what excited me was the work style because cinema nenu chusanu and I loved it and I said I would love to be a part of the project. But once when I came on board and the way the level of clarity Dayal sir has, the level of execution, perfection execution, it was so amazing. And thanks to AHA because నేను ఒక ఫిలిం జోహార్ అని ఒక ఫిలిం చేశాను అండ్ ఇప్పుడు దాకా చాలా సినిమాలు చేశాను బట్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రీచ్ ద AHA got me for the film where people appreciate the work and the kind of opportunity that I get. it's so tough for a film to release in theaters and అంతమంది వచ్చి చూడటం ఇదంతా. So digital platform has been a blessing to me. It's a lovely experience working with Dayal sir. I mean, like, it was easy for me because he always used to give me that one word reference armada. This is what your character is. This is what your character is. So I am this guest who visits Payal's family, and what happens is what the story is about. So because it's a very thriller బేస్డ్ స్టోరీ అనమాట. నేను ఏం చెప్తే ఏమవుతుంది అని చెప్పి నేను పెద్దగా ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు, బికాస్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు అయితే హిల్ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ వర్డ్స్. యా, అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ టీమ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ చక్రపాణి సార్, వీణా మ్యామ్. నలుగురం ఉండటం వల్ల వీ బాండెడ్ వెరీ వెల్. అండ్ పాయల్ వాజ్ లైక్, when I got an opportunity to work with Payal, and Payal was like the star heroine. I'm like, wow, I get to work with Payal now. This is brilliant feeling anukunnanu. But 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 yeah, I
just played my character. People are taking it otherwise, then that's not my call.
yeah. But she's been very friendly, jovial, and all stuff. So I thoroughly enjoyed working for it. So looking forward to work again, sir.
And one thing I'll say about my character only, this is my first movie, I'll say, where I am not doing any kind of makeup. It's completely de-glam. I think in the morning, whenever I come on the sets, and I have to take like 1.5 hour for my hair and makeup. And this movie, just I think within 7 to 10 minutes, I'm all set to go on the sets. So yeah, I enjoyed that part so much. No lenses, no mascara, no lipstick, dark. I mean, 2 shades darker than my skin tone. And I'm sure people are ready to accept that kind of roles and characters nowadays. They want something authentic, something, real actually, which they can connect to. This poverty-stricken family and how they're dealing with every day's, the problems and everything. And one fine day, he comes and he visits and he asks for an overnight stay. And during that course of time till morning, that forms a story, right? So this is that kind of thing. Mallika. Yes, sir.
I'd just like to tell Payal one thing. Payal, as an actor and as a director who's been here for a while, I just want to tell you that be proud of whatever you do, because you've done willfully and you've created a mark for yourself, which very few people get to do that. And
Left that mark on their hearts.
yes, that's it.
And that's very difficult to erase that.
Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, it was a great interaction. I could see the spirit of the team basically working still here. I think after a shooting, after everything, when you all come together and when you still relive the moments with that happiness and the cheerfulness, that speaks a lot about the film. So wish you all the very best. And AHA is also looking very much forward for this thing, I think. And
So
thank
before
you.
we release the poster, the director wants to say something.
And yeah, I never forgot to thank AHA. But I think I should have started with the origin, where exactly the project started. The Trendloud Chennai-based company, who is the producers of this film, they are the one who introduced me to AHA actually. So I think the order is like this. I should be thankful to Trendloud first. Then from there, I got introduced to AHA. Today, the whole Trendloud and AHA team, they have supported the work so much. And to my speed is something generally, I don't know, I will not say that. The thing is, it is something unusual, which is very difficult for usual technicians. It is not easy. So that way they matched my speed. So once again, I'm thanking Trendloud team and AHA team for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now let's release the first look. Can you please?